Animal Groups by Carol Levine. Introduction. There are many kinds of animals. Animals belong to different groups. Different animals have different body parts. The parts an animal has can tell us which group it is in. One group of animals has backbones. Bones help animals move. Bones give animals their shape. Bones can even protect an animal's other body parts. Animals with backbones. There are many groups of animals with backbones. Mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians are all groups of animals with backbones. Even though these animals have backbones, they are different from one another. Animals are different because they live in different environments. Animals have adapted to their environment. Mammals. Some animals are mammals. Mammals have backbones. Most mammals have fur or hair on their bodies. Mammals live in many different environments. Mammals are adapted to live in their environment. Some mammals change colors to hide in their environment. This is called camouflage. One mammal that uses camouflage is the Arctic fox. In winter, the fox's fur changes from gray or brown to white. This helps the fox hide in the snow. Birds. Some animals are birds. Birds have backbones. They have feathers and wings. Many birds use their feathers and wings to fly. Birds also live in many different environments. Birds are adapted to live in their environment. This woodpecker's beak is strong. The beak helps the bird to make holes in trees. The woodpecker's tongue is long and sticky. It uses its tongue to get insects from inside the tree. Fish. Some animals are fish. Some fish have backbones. Fish live in the water. Fish are adapted to live in this environment. Most fish have scales. Most fish have fins. Scales and fins help fish swim. Fish have gills. Gills help fish get the oxygen they need to live. The remora fish has a sucker on its head. This fish stays safe by using its sucker to stick to other sea animals. Sometimes remoras stick to sharks. Sharks keep remoras safe. Reptiles. Some animals are reptiles. Reptiles have backbones. They have scales on their skin. These scales protect the animal. Reptiles get cold when the air is cold. They get warm when the air is warm. Some warm reptiles can move fast. Some reptiles can change colors. Camouflage lets them hide in the places where they live. The chameleon can change from yellow to green to brown. Different things cause its skin color to change. Sometimes the color changes because the animal is afraid. Camouflage helps the chameleon stay safe. Amphibians. Some animals are amphibians. Amphibians have backbones. Amphibians live in many different environments. They can live on land and in the water. They are adapted to live in their environment. This poison dart frog eats insects and turns them into poison. The poison travels through the frog's body and onto its skin. The poison keeps other animals from eating the frog. This way, the frog stays safe. Animals without backbones. There are many animals in the world that do not have backbones. Animals without backbones live in many different environments. They are adapted to their environment. Animals without backbones need to protect their body parts too. Snails have soft bodies. Their hard shells help them stay safe. Jellyfish also have soft bodies, but they can sting animals that want to harm them. Insects. Insects have 3 main body parts and 6 legs. Many insects have antennae on their heads. These antennae help the insects feel, smell, hear, and taste things. Like all insects, the cicada does not have bones. The cicada can sing. The loud singing of some cicadas keeps them safe. Birds do not like this sound. They stay away from the cicadas. Worms. There are lots of different kinds of worms. Worms do not have backbones. Earthworms' bodies have more than 100 parts. Earthworms live in the soil. Damp soil helps keep the skin of the worms wet. They must stay damp to be able to get air. Octopuses. Octopuses are sea animals without backbones. They can make clouds of ink to stay safe. Ink makes it hard for other animals to find octopuses. Octopuses can also use camouflage to hide. Animals with backbones live in many places in the world. Animals without backbones do too. Wherever an animal lives, it's adapted to its environment.